Yes. So I can see only two people, two faces, Uma and Hinaji. What about others? Nice, nice. Hello, Rushita ji. I'm meeting you for the first time. Seeing you
Hello.
time.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, happy morning.
Happy morning.
What about the others? Can you just, I would request everybody to keep their videos on so that we all can see each other. Okay. So anybody has any sharings or anybody has any doubts before we start today's session? Day
Yes,
8.
I want
Yes?
to say something. ये
Yes?
कल मेरे साथ दूसरा एक मैजिक हुआ। कल मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम मेरी लड़की को उसका एक रिपब्लिक डे का सेलिब्रेशन था ऑनलाइन ही, तो उसमें बंगाली बनी थी वो। तो बंगाली साड़ी पहननी थी। मैंने भी कभी साड़ी नहीं पहनी है अपने आप, लेकिन मैंने उसको बंगाली साड़ी पहनाई और वो 4 घंटे तक पहन के रख भी पाई। उतनी अच्छी तरह से कर पाई मैं।
Wow. And that was really, really, really nice of you to share. कैसे हुआ ये सब? How did everything become possible?
एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा कि नहीं मैं कर सकती हूँ, उसको भी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊँगी, लेकिन मैंने बोला नहीं, नहीं मैं कर पाऊँगी, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट है और
Yeah,
पता नहीं कैसे-कैसे हो गया।
lovely, lovely. Thank you for sharing, Rishita ji.
या
Anybody else has any sharings? Anybody else wants to share? How was it? Were you able to make it a no complaint day? How easy was it? So when I did the assignment yesterday, uh, just maybe few hours after the session, we were having a conversation, and I remembered something which happened about maybe 15 years back, and in that conversation it came up, and unconsciously I actually complained of that situation, what happened 15 years back. And both, so my son was there, my hubby was there, and both of them said, see, you are complaining. And actually realized that yes, I'm complaining. It's a complaint which came of a situation which had happened 15 years back, and unconsciously we keep on doing that. And then I used the lifeline and I just sat quietly, brought back the situation, used the lifeline, and then I remembered. And then I said, I'm so glad that I have people around me who are there to tell me that yes, gone into that complaining zone again. Yeah. So then actually I watched the Pollyanna movie also. How many of us could see the movie yesterday?
Hey, lovely movie.
Yes.
Lovely movie.
I'm so glad that you all saw the movie. And very soon, for a few minutes, we'll play the glad game. Maybe when most of us have seen the movie, during the class, we'll actually play the glad game. And let us all celebrate. Let us all celebrate and be happy, be glad, so that we can all experience, and whatever we experience, things around us will also change. The people around us, they will also change, and there'll be a shift in their life also. ओके. तो हम में से किन लोग हिना जी, आपने देखा था वो मूवी?
हाँ, मैं 10 to 15 मिनट्स ही देख पाई थी, फिर मुझे
हाँ.
बाहर जाना था, तो बोले आज पूरा देखूंगी।
या प्लीज, प्लीज,
Okay.
दोज ऑफ यू जो देख नहीं पाए हैं, वो माय इनविटेशन टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज, डोंट पोस्टपोन, प्लीज डोंट पोस्टपोन, बिकॉज एवरी चैप्टर इज लाइक अ डॉट. एक डॉट से दूसरा डॉट, दूसरा डॉट से तीसरा डॉट, वी हैव टू फॉलो दैट लाइन. या Okay, how many of us, since we are talking of this, how many of us have played this on a sheet of paper that there is a picture, and to know what the picture is about, you have to join the dots. And जब dots को join करते हैं, then you have to color it.
Yes.
We must have done ourselves or with our kids. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, no? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this
I like
book
very
is
much.
like that only. Yes. So this book is like that only. We are joining, each chapter is from one dot to the other, to the other, to the other. And finally, when we complete the picture, but the beauty of it is that जैसे जैसे हम picture को complete कर रहे हैं, वैसे वैसे colors अपने आप आते जा रहे हैं. This is a magical picture. So colors अपने आप आ रहे हैं. अभी हमको realize करना है कि वो colors आ रहे हैं कि नहीं, और आ रहे हैं तो कैसे colors आ रहे हैं.
I'm not getting what are you saying, ma'am?
तो आपने शायद बचपन में किया होगा, या you must have done, आपने अपने बच्चों के साथ किया होगा. So I'm assuming that you have, I mean, you remember when you taught your kids. So there used to be a coloring book. It was used to be like a maze. Yeah. So there used to be number 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1 से number 2 join करना है till you reach, assuming for example number 50. So you join from 1 to 50. और धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे zigzag जैसे जैसे वो बुक बता रहा है वैसे वैसे आपने ज्वाइन किया वो पिक्चर को, and then a complete picture comes. पूरा एक पिक्चर आ जाता है. So for example, if it's a teddy bear, and उसको ज्वाइन किया, आपको पता नहीं क्या है पिक्चर में. When we started the magic book, we didn't know what is there in the book, right? And then when we are each day, जो लोग रोज का assignments कर रहे हैं, they will understand. And also those of you who are not doing, जो रोज का assignment नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप when you are attending the session, you will understand that there एक chapter से दूसरे chapter में connection है. Yeah, it's not just in the air. ऐसा नहीं है कि first chapter was count your blessings, second one was whatever, however we are proceeding. So there is a connection. Whatever was the chapter yesterday and today, connection है. और वो जब हम पूरा connect करते रहेंगे, कोई भी link हमने miss कर दिया, कोई भी number miss कर दिया, तो वो picture complete नहीं होगा, right? तो जैसे ही हम पूरा connect करते जाएंगे, एक picture आ जाएगा सामने. You'll understand what it is about. Yeah, but the humility of this book is that every day, ये book थोड़ा magical book है, right? It's about magic. The name of the book is only magic, जादू. तो जैसे जैसे हम pictures को join कर रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे एक chapter से दूसरे chapter का connection आते जा रहा है, we are seeing that more and more colors are coming in our life. Yes. So
Got it.
it is completely a magical picture. My invitation to all of you is that whatever is the assignment, you have to just take out 1 hour, not every day. Sometimes it's just half an hour. Sometimes assignments ज़्यादा है. कल हमें तो 1.5 hours की movie है, 1 hour 58 minutes की movie है. तो अगर आपको कोई बात नहीं, आपको कल time नहीं मिला, आज आप अगर कोशिश करेंगे, आज कल 2 दिन में आप हो सके तो आज ही, नहीं तो 2 दिन में, 2 दिन भी आपको लगे, but continuously see that part and try to follow it, try to bring it in your life, अपनी life में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, anybody has any sharings from yesterday? There was one person who had messaged me that actually I saw the movie and I'm feeling so glad that I saw the movie. Yes, do you want to share? Do you want to share with everybody?
क्या वंदना जी,
हाँ जी.
मैंने मूवी देखी, लेकिन उसकी इंग्लिश का एक्सेंट थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए समझने को.
हाँ, वो मेरे लिए भी था, पर आप जैसे देखोगे ना ध्यान से, तो आपको समझ में आने लगेगा. And even though see, the language of feeling is there. We all will understand. आप देखोगे ध्यान से, just drop that mind कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आ रही है और वो एक्सेंट नहीं समझ आ रहा है. कई कई जगह मुझे भी नहीं समझ आया था, पर जब मैंने वापस ध्यान से देखा तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड, और जहां पे नहीं समझ आया आई कुड कनेक्ट विद द फीलिंग्स. ओके, यस.
ओके.
तो आप आज वापस कोशिश करिएगा. Okay, so who is nominating to read today? You can unmute yourself, call your name and start reading. Yes. Margi ji has written, I can read. Okay. I would, yes, Margi ji.
Okay.
So let's look at the picture first, even though it's broken into two parts. So if we can join the dots, as I know we all have become experts in doing that, तो हम दोनों पिक्चर को विजुअलाइज करेंगे. ये एक कप है, कप का ऊपर का पार्ट लेफ्ट साइड में है और नीचे का पार्ट राइट साइड में है. सो लेट्स विजुअलाइज, लेट्स यूज आवर पावर ऑफ इमेजिनेशन एंड सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. व्हाट कैन वी सी, व्हाट कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस इलस्ट्रेशन? क्या हम समझ पा रहे हैं ये पिक्चर को देख के? यस, एनीबडी, if you want to share, you can share. What I understood was that there is a cup which is, yeah, there is some liquid. Yeah, anybody wants to share? कुछ share करना है?
एक कप है जिसमें कुछ लिक्विड जैसा है और उसमें मैजिक आ रहा है. So as per my understanding, we are supposed to make a magical ingredient for ourselves.
Yeah, so we are going to learn what is the magical ingredient. Yes?
Yes.
And magical ingredient on what? Today the picture is showing that there is, maybe, you know, if we can talk of, so there is something kept beside the cup also. There's something to eat. Feels like some sandwich to me, which is kept, and so it is food, and what is there in the uh, cup is a liquid, so it could be, you know, some form of liquid, and the basic ingredient of this liquid is water. So food and water are the two things which we are going to learn more about. There, the importance of food and water in our lives. Okay, so we can start reading. Yes.
Yes. Day 8, the magic ingredient.
Yeah. A thankful heart
A thankful heart hath a continual feast. W.J. Cameron, journalist and businessman.
Yes. So we have completed week 1 of our magic book session, and today is day 8. So we are about to start the second week, and you know, we have already started to crawl. From today onwards, we are going to start to walk. So are we all ready to learn this new way of walking? Yes, no? Let's
Yes.
be excited. Yes, no,
Yes.
everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Wow,
Yes,
wow. All yeses I'm hearing. Wow. Okay. So a thankful heart hath a continual feast. जो कृतज्ञ हृदय होता है वो हमेशा जश्न मनाता है. So आप किस तरह की जिंदगी बनाना चाहते हैं? Just figure it for yourself. Ask. Just say to yourself, आप किस तरह की जिंदगी बनाना चाहते हैं? So can anybody look into Google and see what is the meaning of feast? Google करके देखेंगे, because you know sometimes why do I say Google? Google में कुछ अलग ही meaning आता है,
मैम
हमारी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कुछ अलग ही होती है. Yeah?
मैम कैन आई शेयर फॉर फीस्ट?
Yes.
फीस्ट ऐसा होता है कि मतलब हफ्ते भर में आप जो भी खाना खा रहे हो नॉर्मल खाना खा रहे हो, और हफ्ते में एक दिन आपको अच्छा खाना मिलता है, जैसे स्वीट्स है या फिर वो फरसान है, जैसे मतलब समोसा है, उस तरह का कुछ एक्स्ट्रा खाना मिलता है, उसको फीस्ट किया जाता है.
Yes, yes. A huge
क्योंकि
meal.
हमारे हॉस्टल में संडे
हाँ.
के दिन फीस्ट रहता था.
Oh
गुलाब
wow.
जामुन है या फिर बासुदी है, लाडू है, तो दैट इज द फीस्ट.
Lovely. Nice. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing.
थैंक यू.
Okay. So what is so हम Google करके देखेंगे. Anybody has Google?
Yes, ma'am.
Feast means दावत.
हाँ.
त्योहार, उजानी.
Sorry, just दावत के बाद में क्या बोला आपने?
मैं गुजराती वर्ड बोला. त्योहार means
त्योहार.
festival.
Okay.
Festival.
अच्छा, त्योहार.
त्योहार.
हाँ. Okay.
Google,
Okay.
Google पे है. A feast is a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. You might
Lovely.
have a feast to celebrate the last day of school every year.
Yes, yes. So we all are down, you know, we all have gone down the memory lane. हमें hostel की याद आ रही है, school की याद आ रही है. So beautiful. So it's a huge, delicious meal that is served at a party or celebration. So what is the book trying to tell us? क्या बताना चाह रही है book? कि life is a feast. क्या हम ऐसा अपनी जिंदगी को बना सकते हैं? Every moment of our life is a party. Every moment of our life is a celebration. क्या हम ऐसी जिंदगी जी सकते हैं? Can we just for a moment, you know, can we just for a moment think, even when things are not good around us, or even when things are good around us, can we make it more and more beautiful by thinking that life is a party, life is a celebration? Yeah, so how do we do it? It tells us. Let's read ahead.
Okay. Giving thanks for food before you eat is a tradition that has been followed for thousands of years, dating back to the ancient Egyptians. With the fast pace of life in the 21st century, taking the time to give thanks for a meal has more often than not been left behind. But using the simple act of eating and drinking as an opportunity to be grateful will increase the magic in your life exponentially.
Exponentially.
Okay, exponentially.
Yeah, so giving thanks for food before you eat is a tradition that has been followed. Even in India, we have seen that, you know, we have seen our elders doing that. I remember my Nanaji, he used to do that. So before he used to sit for food when I was a child. So you know, many years back, I must be about maybe 10 years, 11 years. And I used to, so when we used to eat together, I used to observe him eating like that. And, you know, just giving thanks, just with folded hands. And that time it was used to, you know, it was really funny that why is he doing? I never could understand why is he doing. But today I can connect, I can join the dots and understand what he was doing actually. He was being grateful for the food that was served to him. And why being grateful, we'll read it further. But today, it's very sad to say that life has become so robotic. How do we eat our food? So, you know, we are getting late for everything. Actually, we wake up late. Then we have to rush for everything. खाना कैसे खाते हैं, हाथ में कैरी किया, शूज पहन रहे हैं, एक हाथ से सैंडविच खा रहे हैं, एक हाथ से शूज पहन रहे हैं, and then we are running for a job, running for office, or we carry a tiffin with us and we eat it on the way. So all this, we are constantly on the run. Life has become so robotic, and so बैठ के ग्रैटिट्यूड पे करना या जस्ट praying before you eat तो दूर की बात है. All this we have started doing. So what does the last 3 lines of this paragraph say? That by using the simple act of eating and drinking as an opportunity to be grateful will increase the magic in your life exponentially. खाली हमें सिर्फ ग्रेटफुल होना है, जो भी हम खा रहे हैं, जो भी हम पी रहे हैं, आज से we know this magic now. Can we all do it every time we eat and drink? Yes, please read ahead.
If you think about a time when you were really hungry, you will remember that you could not think or function normally. Your body felt weak. You might have started to tremble. Your mind become confused and your feelings plummeted. All of them happen after not eating for just a few hours. You need food to live, to think, and to feel good. And so there is a great deal to be grateful for about food.
हाँ, तो आप अपनी अपनी लाइफ में देख लीजिए ना कि जब हमारा जो खाने का टाइम है या वॉट एवर टाइम हम रोज खाते हैं, अगर थोड़ी सी भी लेट हो जाती है तो हाउ मच वी स्टार्ट कंप्लेनिंग. Yes, and we start complaining, and even if we are not in a space, supposing हमको अपने आप ही cook करना है for us and there's nobody else to do some cooking for us, then we just become cranky ki we are not getting the food. So we either we get a headache or our head starts, we feel dizzy, or we feel something happening in our stomach, and immediately the mind goes into a different space. So isn't it this is the importance of food in our life. So what should we do? Shouldn't we be grateful for all the food that we are getting? Yes, please continue.
To feel even more gratitude for food, take a moment and think about all the people who contributed to you having food to eat. For you to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, the growers had to plant and nurture the fruit and vegetables with continuous watering, protecting them over many months until they were ready for harvesting. Then there are the pickers, the packers, and the distributors, and the transportation people who drive enormous distance day and night, all of them working together in perfect harmony to ensure that every fruit and vegetable is delivered fresh to you and is available year round.
Yes, so how to just understand that जो हमें vegetables and fruits जो हमें मिलती है जब हम when we go to buy from a supermarket or from a vegetable vendor, जब हम जाते हैं खरीदने, तो उसके पीछे की स्टोरी कभी हमने सोचा है कि how this is available to us? To start with, a farmer, he starts putting the seed. पहले सीड जाता है, फिर उसमें पानी जाता है, फिर उसमें धूप जाता है, फिर उसमें फर्टिलाइजर्स डालते हैं, फिर यू हैव टू टेक केयर कि उसमें कोई इंसेक्ट्स नहीं आ जाए, तो पेस्टिसाइड्स डालने पड़ते हैं. फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम यू हैव टू सी, यू हैव टू टेक आउट द वीड्स, जो वीड्स आ जाते हैं, जो प्लांट की ग्रोथ को रोक देते हैं, उनको पुल करना पड़ता है. सो मच एफर्ट गोज ना इन जस्ट bringing a tomato to the state where we see how we see. There's so much effort goes, कितना कुछ जाता है उसमें, continuously पानी देना पड़ता है, months and months it takes. You have to see the right temperature, right climate. हर weather में अलग अलग vegetables अलग अलग फ्रूट्स, अलग अलग ग्रेन्स को ग्रो करते हैं. So goes, and then that's not the end. उसके बाद में उसको प्लग किया जाता है. So for example, right now I have a help who used to work in the farms, you know. So there's this beautiful thing which I'm going to share maybe some other time, that how I manifested this help in my life. So, you know, she's a very, very nice soul. She keeps on sharing her experiences with me. You know, very, very pure soul. So she used to work in the farm, and in her village, in that area, they grow a lot of tur dal, you know, and soya bean. So she used to leave early morning, and her work was, she used to work as a laborer over there in the farm. So she used to go and, you know, sharing one day ki, how they, and she also used to go in a cotton field, kapas, she was saying. So how they have to pick up the cotton, and you know, which grows in the plant, in the topmost, in the fluffy part of the cotton, then they take it out, and you know, just pull it, and then they make a stack of the cotton, पूरा उसका वो बना देते हैं एक stack. फिर उसको रखते हैं धूप में, और ऐसे में अगर बारिश आ जाती है, then तो everything is destroyed. So this happened this year कि and she said last years this is happening. तो बारिश आने से वो पूरा खराब हो जाता है. Then again they have to wait for the sun to come. फिर उसको वापस, but उसकी quality थोड़ी सी poor हो जाती है, because and there is no the option. इतने सारे cotton bales को कहीं पे covered area में रखना is not possible, because उसमें धूप भी लगनी है ना. So much why I'm sharing with you this is that एक एक कपड़े जो हम आज पहनते हैं, उसमें कितनी कितनी लोगों की मेहनत गई है. जो खाना हम खाते हैं, उसमें कितनी कितनी लोगों की मेहनत गई है, और कितने कितने महीनों की मेहनत है. So after that, you know, whatever the food is collected, or that tur dal is collected, then usko saaf karte hain un log, and that everything is done manually. And then they just, you know, whatever they want to put it on to retain that freshness of the dal, then they give it to the farmers, they give it to the, it comes in the market, then the wholesalers take it, then they give it to the retailers, then the retailers se hum lete hain. So when we go to a grocery shop, grocery shop में जब हम जाते हैं, तो फिर वहां से finally we get the dal that we cook in our house. So देखा आपने कितनी सारी process को follow करते करते we get the food that we eat. Okay, so and before that there are the distributors, which are the retailers, then there are the transportation people. कितने हफ्तों उन लोग transport करके लेके आते हैं. So many weeks it takes, so many days it takes, and they are traveling day and night. Have we ever thought of it? And why are they doing this? So that everything is delivered fresh to you. And not only that, it is available all the year round. Now, though, everything we get all the year round. Have we ever thought of it? If we haven't thought, doesn't matter. Let's start thinking now. Let's start thinking now. And be grateful to all those people who have made possible. Yes? No? Can we all do that? हम कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
Yes. Please continue.
Think about the meat growers, fishermen,
Dairy farmers.
हाँ हाँ dairy farmers, coffee and tea growers, and all the packaged food companies who work tirelessly to produce the food we eat. The world's food production is breathtaking orchestration that takes place every day, and it's unfathomable,
Unfathomable.
unfathomable
That
that it all works when you think about the number of people involved in maintaining the world's food and drink supplies to stores, restaurants, supermarkets, cafes, airplanes, schools, hospitals, and every home on the planet.
See, again, this para tells us what is the importance of food. A little one step ahead we go that think about all those farmers, coffee and tea growers. So, coffee and tea, they can't grow in all climates. There are particular places only where they can grow. So, it needs a slope. It needs a area where, so tea in India, it goes in Assam. So Assam is the highest, it's a highest grower of tea, that is that state. And so many things, the climate, the water, the rain, everything has to be at the right time. थोड़ा सा भी अगर कुछ untimely rains आ गई, then the entire cultivation is damaged. So, and also the packaged food companies, जो लोग पैक करते हैं उन्हें अच्छे से attractive way में, so that it comes to us fresh, and everybody is working tirelessly, right? हम ऐसा सोचेंगे इसमें इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? What is the big deal? They are doing their work. That is their profession. That is their job. That is their business. But if we look at the bigger picture, so everything, हर चीज जो हमारी लाइफ में होती है, there is a smaller picture which we all are living with. And agar hum, if we are great and if we go into the depth, एक एक छोटी छोटी चीज जो अभी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, mentally if we can keep on saying thank you, thank you, thank you to the packaged food people, thank you to the farmers, thank you to the people who are growing vegetables, thank you to the person who's transporting. So a different picture comes in our mind and we feel so grateful. Yes, so we are actually moving into the space of magic. We are actually stepping into the magical world of gratitude. Yes.
Food is a gift. It's a gift of nature because there would be nothing for any of us to eat if nature didn't supply us with the soil, nutrients, and water to grow food. Without water, there would be no food, vegetation, animals, or human life. We use water to cook our meals, grow our food, maintain our gardens, supply our bathroom, sustain every vehicle that moves, support our hospitals, fuel, mining, and manufacturing industries, enable transportation, make our roads, make clothes, and every consumer product and appliance on the planet, make plastic, glass, and metal, make life saving medication, and build our homes and every other building and structure. And water keeps our bodies alive. Water, 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 glorious water.
Yes. So till now, we have been getting water so easily, right? And there are moments when, even just imagine, agar 10 minutes also, if there is no water in the bathroom, no water in the kitchen, no water in your house, then how would the life be? So, first we spoke of food. Food is a gift, it is a gift of nature. Just imagine ना, अगर कल पृथ्वी ने हमें बोल दिया कि नहीं, ये सारी जो मिट्टी है वो नहीं है यहाँ पे, there is no, it becomes like a desert. And also there is पानी के बदले में there is no sweet water, there's only saline water. Yeah. So how would we sustain? हमारी life कैसे हो जाएगी? Just by thinking, and we understand the importance of food and water. And but otherwise, जैसे even after this knowledge, we'll think, what's a big deal? Water is everywhere. इतने सारा पानी है, इतनी सारी नदियां हैं, इतने सारे तालाब हैं, इतने सारे oceans हैं. पानी की कभी कमी नहीं होगी. But the fact is that people are going through water crisis. How is that happening? Amazingly. So whatever water is available to us, and whatever we can use, the usable water is just 3%. The remaining 90% of the water is not usable because it is saline. What a miracle, na? And out of this 3%, we all are able to get unlimited supply of water. Water for what? We use water for food, vegetation. So just imagine, okay, आप लोगों ने कभी ऐसा ध्यान दिया है कि we need food and water, that is right. But if only one thing out of these two is not there, just imagine. Can you tell me कि कौन सी चीज नहीं होगी तो हम जिंदा नहीं रह पाएंगे of these two, food or water?
Air.
नहीं, इन दोनों में से अगर आपको
Okay.
चूज करना है,
पानी. Water.
water, yes, and water, glorious water. So आज तक हमने कितने लोगों ने वाटर को ग्रैटिट्यूड दिया है अभी तक? Did our mind ever go in that space where we wanted to give our gratitude, where we wanted to thank water? Yes, no? Yeah. So we never thought about it. Okay, I have given, Usha ji, very good. And also our bodies, all our bodies is made up of 70 to 80% water. हमारे ब्लड में पानी है, हमारे सेल्स में पानी है, हमारे मसल्स में पानी है, हमारे बोन्स, they are made up of water. So the brain, it is made up of water. All the cells are having water. So most essential part of our body, 70 to 80% of our body is made up of water. Yes? No? Is everybody aware of this?
Yes.
Yes.
So how important is water in our lives? And if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. इस planet में अगर magic है, तो वो पानी में है. How beautiful, na? How beautiful. पानी पानी जीवनदायक पानी. Water, glorious water. So beautiful. So let us now, so if only 3% of the water which is available on this universe, we can consume it, it's consumable, and still we are getting an endless supply of water. ये तो भगवान की नियामत है. It's a blessing that we are getting from God. Let's express our gratitude towards that water. So towards the end of the session today, we'll do an experiment with water. Whenever you can, just have a glass of water or a bottle of water close to you. Okay? So if there is magic, you can read from here. If there is magic on this planet,
It is contained in water. Lauren Easley, anthropologist and natural science writer. Where would we be without food and water? We simply wouldn't be here. None of our family or friends would be here either. We wouldn't have this day or any tomorrow. But here we are on this beautiful planet together. Together, ultimate effect of well-being.
wait. I think so. I have scrolled it 2 pages.
Yes.
Let me check.
Yes.
Huh.
Together, living life with its challenges and ecstatic joys because of nature's gift of food and water. To say the simple, magic words, thank you, before you eat or drink anything is an act of recognition and gratitude for the miracle of food and water.
Yes, so from today onwards, there is this assignment for today is that to say the magic words, thank you. Just you have to, you can close your eyes, think of whatever we read, all those people who have made it possible for you to have the food, to have the fruits, to have the vegetables, to have the water, and just say thank you. That's it. And see how the taste of the food, the taste of the water will change. We'll experience it today. Yes, please read ahead. The
The
incredible thing.
incredible thing is that when you are grateful for food and water, it doesn't just affect your life. Your gratitude also impacts the world's supply. If
Wow.
enough people felt gratitude for food and water, it would actually help the people who are starving and in great need. By the law of attraction and Newton's law of action and reaction, the action of mass gratitude must produce an equal mass reaction, which would change the circumstances of scarcity of food and water for everyone on the planet.
Lovely. So interesting and so important that अगर हम पानी और फूड के लिए कृतज्ञ हो जाएंगे तो पूरी वर्ल्ड की सप्लाई को अफेक्ट करेगा. Because if all of us, supposing there are 20 people on this part, and there are, and supposing it goes to many other people, it reaches to many other people, this knowledge, or we are sharing, you know, we are having a conversation and we are sharing this knowledge, and there are many other people who have this knowledge, and we all together, you know, pay gratitude for the food and water, then actually by Newton's law of attraction, what is the law of attraction says? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So many people giving gratitude, and everything, the entire world will be affected because it will give an equal reaction. It will change the circumstances of scarcity of food and water for everyone on the planet. So, I don't know how many of you know about the langar which is there in a Gurudwara. Uh,
Amritsar.
yes. So, what happens is in the langar, there is huge quantity of food which is cooked, and whoever goes at whatever time you go, you will get food. That is their intention. तो जो लोग लंगर में सेवा करते हैं, you know, peeling the vegetables, even in our temples, even if you go to any temple, there are many temples where you do this seva, you know, you do this service. And service to whom? Service to the Lord. Okay. So there is a seva of flowers, making flowers, making the garland. There is a seva of cleaning the vegetables, fruits. Then there's a seva of cooking. So many things are required before we actually start cooking. Yeah. So what is all that? And while they are doing the seva, whilst they are doing it, what is their work? Not to chit chat, not to converse, but to chant anything. So, this chanting anything, it could be any word, it could be any mantra, it could be anything, you know, or just saying thank you, thank you. So, even whatever you are chanting, whatever you are saying is an act of gratitude. So mass gratitude is happening, right? And even, you know, when they serve, they are chanting a name of the Lord, whatever they want to, you know. So that is again, and it adds on to the mass, to that collective consciousness. It adds on to your collectively, you are expressing gratitude. And if we do that, then what will be the result? The result will be that everyone on this earth will have enough food and water. Yes, you can please read ahead.
In ancient times, people believed that when they blessed their food and water with gratitude, it purified whatever they were blessing. And when you look at the theories and discoveries that quantum physics have made in recent times, such as the observer effect, the ancients may very well have been right. The observer effect in quantum physics refers to changes that the act of observation makes on whatever is being observed. Imagine if focusing gratitude on your food and drinks changed their energy structure and purified them so that everything you consumed had the ultimate effect of well being on your body.
Yes. So this is a beautiful thing which quantum physics says, the observer effect. That there are three things. One is the observer, one is the act of observation, the second is the act of observation, and the third is the thing which is being observed. So अगर हम अपनी कृतज्ञता पानी और फूड पे दे रहे हैं तो हम ऑब्जर्वर हैं. जो एंड जो हम प्रोसेस जो हम ग्रैटिट्यूड दे रहे हैं, दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. एंड व्हाट इज बीइंग ऑब्जर्व? फूड एंड वाटर. ओके, सो हम क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं? हम ग्रैटिट्यूड दे रहे हैं तो उस चीज की, उस पानी की, उस फूड की एनर्जीज पूरी चेंज हो जाती है. सो वी डोंट नो ना दैट हम कोई भी जगह हम जाते हैं या हमारे घर पे ही जो पानी आ रहा है, कितने लोगों की एनर्जी उसमें गई है. You know, it is said that water is that one thing which can absorb the energies of the space where it is in. हम एक ग्लास पानी अपने घर में रख देंगे और उसे खुला ही छोड़ देंगे तो वो जितनी भी एनवायरमेंट की जितनी भी बातें हो रही है, जितनी भी शेयरिंग्स हो रही है, जितनी भी वॉइसेस आ रही है, वो सारी चीजें वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा. और फिर अगर हम उस पानी को पीते हैं तो हमारे अंदर वैसी ही एनर्जीज जाती है. ओके, सो just trying to tell you that water and food are the two most important ingredients in our life. Whatever energy is given to it we become that. You know, there's a saying, jaisa khave an वैसा होवे मन. However whatever food, whatever water we have, whatever water we drink, whatever food we eat, our mind also becomes like that and we become like that. So many of us must have seen that when we eat food, especially with our youngsters, the teenagers today, when they eat food, they want all the things to be done at that same time, multitasking. TV, they'll be on their phones, and what they're eating is, so what is coming on the TV? Maybe some, if they are watching news, then इसने इसको मार दिया, आज इतनी सारी, आज इस जगह ये हुआ. All things what we are taking in with our food is, what are you taking? What are we doing with ourselves? Even when we are on the phone, we are watching, if somebody who's eating and is on the phone, what are you doing? You are watching something, violence which is going inside with food. What is happening to all of us? And then we say that I'm feeling low, I'm feeling depressed, my mind is not proper, I'm irritable, I'm angry. Whatever you're putting in, you're getting that. Yes? No? Has anybody, all of us have observed this, or some of us have observed this? Do we agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes?
Yes.
So then what do we do? What do we do is, when the food comes in front of us, when the water comes in front of us, irrespective of whoever has cooked the food, with whatever intention the food is cooked, with whatever has gone into the water, let's bless the food and water and then start having it. In some of our some traditions, there is a tradition to say a prayer before you eat food. But in the fast paced life, we hardly remember to do this. So today doesn't matter, we all have the access to it from today itself, this moment itself. let us all take a resolution that before we eat, before we drink, we will bless the food, we will bless the water, and then be grateful that God, thank you for giving me this food. Thank you for giving me this water. I remember when we were in school, we had this prayer. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the water we drink. Thank you, God, for the air we breathe. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Do we remember saying this prayer? Any one of us? Yes, no? We had this prayer in school.
Yes, ma'am.
And that time when we used to say maybe or maybe not, we didn't understand the meaning of it and we used to say mechanically because it was a part of our routine. But today we understand, today I'm understanding that what was the intention of that prayer. It's a simple prayer, right? So we can just 2 words, thank you, just these 2 words, and it changes the energy of that food, it changes the energy of the water. You know, there's a Japanese scientist, Masaru Emoto, who says that water, he had actually done an experiment. You know, you can Google and see today, Masaru Emoto. He was an author, he was a writer, he was also, he had worked, he'd done a lot of research in water. So he gives us a beautiful, a crystalline structure of water. So if water is taken from a good source, or if we bless the water, the structure, the molecular structure of water changes. And how it happens, he showed. So it will be difficult for me to explain that, but we can see for ourselves. We can Google and see for ourselves today that how water changes its structure. So so we'll be doing a rice experiment. How many of you are aware of this rice experiment? Do you know about it? This is an assignment for today. Anybody knows about the rice experiment?
No.
Yes, no?
No.
So we'll take 3 jars, 3 identical jars. 3 हम jars लेंगे जिसको cover कर सकते हैं, जिसमें ढक्कन होगा. Okay? And preferably glass jars. Don't take plastic jars, glass jars. उसमें हम हर jar में equal quantity of rice डाल देंगे. Are we all ready? Are we all ready? Are we all attentive?
Yes.
Yes. So हम equal quantity of rice डाल देंगे उसमें. और उसमें equal quantity of पानी भी डाल देंगे. And then cover it. And then leave it at a place where it won't be disturbed. Don't move that, quite often. एक जगह रख दीजिए आप, जहाँ पे आपको लगे कि इसको हिलाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Now what you have to do, every day at a particular time, whatever time is okay with you, whatever time you're comfortable with, the first jar you will say, thank you, feel it. Just see the rice and water and just say, thank you, I love you. Okay? At the same time, second jar ke paas jayenge and you'll say, you are an idiot. I hate you. Okay? And the third jar, you will just ignore the jar. You know how we ignore people? You will just ignore. A kind of dislike. Nafrat nahi bolenge, but you will just ignore it. And see what happens to these jars after maybe 7 days. Okay? We'll come back in the third week. Hum discuss karenge. But anybody who is doing, my invitation to all of you is please to understand the power of gratitude and to understand the power of, the kind of food and water we consume every day. Let's do this experiment. So are we all ready to do this experiment? Yes, no, write it on the chat.
Yes.
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 And so then we will see, we will have our sharings, and wonderful sharings I know will come, that what do you see? What is the difference that comes in all the 3 jars? जिसमें हमने सेम पानी डाला है, सेम क्वांटिटी ऑफ चावल डाले हैं और सेम प्लेस में रखा है एंड सेम आइडेंटिकल जार्स में रखे हैं. Okay, and preferably glass jar. Okay, then we'll see. I don't want to say what will happen, but let's look it for ourselves. Let's see it for ourselves. Yeah. Yes, let's go ahead.
One of the ways to experience the magic of gratitude instantly with food and drinks is to really savor what you are eating or drinking. When you savor your food or drinks, you are appreciating them or being grateful. As an experiment, next time you are in the middle of eating food or drinking any liquid, when you take a mouthful, concentrate on the taste of the food in your mouth or the flavor of the liquid before you swallow it. You will find that when you focus on the food or drink in your mouth and savor it, the flavor seems to explode. And when you don't focus, the flavors weaken dramatically. It's your energy on focus and gratitude that instantly enhances the flavor.
Yes, so today we are going to do this simple exercise when we are eating our food or drinking any liquid. We will be doing a part of it in the when we read the assignment today. So all of us, if we all have got a glass of water or a bottle of water with us, we'll be doing with that. So just you have to concentrate on the taste of food. You know, not eating mechanically, but actually feeling the taste of food. The moment we are grateful for the food we eat, what I have observed with myself, there are days when I don't remember, but the days, you know, I when I remember, there is a difference. The days when I remember to pay my gratitude before I start my meal, the taste is only different. You know, the kind of energy which I get from the food that I eat or the water I drink, it's completely different. And you know, there's no greed. There is no greed to eat food. The gluttony is not there. And there is, you know, I'm aware of what I'm eating. So we all can experience that. And most important is that the flavor of the food, if we just with before and after, you will notice the difference. So what you can do is, first you start without noticing, and then in the middle of it, just start noticing. You'll see the difference. Let's do it together today, and we'll have our sharings tomorrow. Yeah. Before you eat or drink anything today,
Whether you are about to eat a meal, a piece of fruit, or a snack, or have a drink of anything, including water, take a moment to look at what you are about to eat or drink, and in your mind or out loud say the magic words, thank you. And if you can just take one mouthful, really savoring it, it will not only increase your enjoyment, it will help you to feel far more gratitude.
yes, when we do this, we'll start enjoying our food. Whatever complaints we have when we eat food, maybe there is less salt in the food, we will enjoy that less salt also. Maybe it's too spicy, we will enjoy that spicy food also. Because what has happened, we have put in our love in that food, we have put in our gratitude in that food. So the act of complaining will also disappear. And isn't that what we want? When we stop complaining, we will go more and more closer to our dreams. More and more magic will appear in our lives. Yes,
Yes.
please continue.
You can also try something I do, which helps me to feel even more gratitude. When I say the magic words, I wave my fingers over my food or drink as though I'm sprinkling them with magic dust. And I imagine that the magic dust instantly purifies everything it touches, Doing this has helped me really feel the gratitude is the magic ingredient, and I want to add it to everything I eat and drink. If
Yes,
you
yes,
find it,
we'll pause here. We'll pause here. So, when I say, so there's one more thing which Rhonda Byrne is telling us, which the book is telling us, that you can also wave your fingers over your food as if you are sprinkling some magic dust. Either you can do with your fingers, or you can keep that, you know, that salt and pepper, how we pour, that shaker is there. You can keep that also with, and it will be empty without any salt or pepper. And you can just sprinkle that as if you're sprinkling magic dust on your food, and it's very, very beautiful when you do that. You can try it for yourself. It feels that actually you have put some magical dust on the food, and the food now what you will eat or the water which you will drink will really, really have a different experience for you. You know, it will just purify your entire body. And it's true, we all have that magic in us. This magic dust, you can use it for food and water. Yes, and this also we'll share if we do today. And we'll share what happens to the food, what happens to our mind when we sprinkle magic dust. Yes.
if you find it more effective, you can imagine that you have a shaker or magic dust in your hand and you are shaking the magic dust out of the shaker all over your food before you eat and into every drink. If at any time during the day you forget to say the magic words thank you before you eat or drink anything, as soon as you remember, close your eyes, go back in your mind to the time when you forgot, visualize yourself in your mind for a second or two before you ate or drank, and say the magic words. If you forget to be grateful for food and drinks multiple times in a day, multiple times in a day, the repeat then repeat this same practice tomorrow. You can't afford to miss a single day in building your gratitude. Your dreams depends upon it.
Yes. So this book is so kind to us, na? Every possible thing, the book knows that this might also happen, this might also happen, this might also happen. But ye hoga to koi baat nahi. You can go to the next thing. There is another way you can still be grateful. So the book says that any time of the day, if you forget to say the magic words, thank you, as soon as you remember that, maybe आपने अभी कुछ खाया है या कुछ पिया है, आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप खाओगे तब याद आएगा, अरे मैंने किया ही नहीं. या in the middle of the food you will remember that, अरे I didn't do. Just pause at that time and go back. So just sit with your eyes shut and close your eyes and remember that the time, we all have our memories, right? So वो time जब आपने gratitude नहीं बोल पाए थे, आप भूल गए थे, तो उस मोमेंट में वापस जाइए, वही फूड आपके सामने आएगा, वही वाटर आपके सामने आएगा. पे ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड देन, सो there is always a thing wherein we can go back in time and space, and we all have the capability of doing it. कैसे? उसको वापस याद करके, उसको वापस याद करने ना, हम वैसे भी करते ही है ना, कुछ भी बात हमारे साथ हुई है कितने सालों पहले, तो उसको हम याद करते हैं वापस, राइट? एंड कितनी बार याद करते हैं. तो whatever we have done, the memories are there. So remember that again, visualize yourself, and just for a second or two before you ate or drank, that time, say the magic words, thank you, this moment. Okay? So you forgot, doesn't matter, कोई बात नहीं, आप भूल गए. वापस उस moment में जाइए and repeat these magic words. Why should we repeat? Because the more and more number of times we are grateful, जितना हम gratitude देंगे, जितना हम कृतज्ञता देंगे, उतनी ही जल्दी हमारी dreams जो हमने लिखा है day zero में, वो हमारे ट्रू होते जाएंगे. The dreams will become true. वो ड्रीम्स हमारी जो हमने देखी है, जिसको हम ड्रीम बोलते थे, वो हकीकत में बदल जाएंगी. यस
Yes.
यस.
Being grateful for the simple things in life, like food and water, is one of the deepest expressions of gratitude. And when you can feel the degree of gratitude, you will see the magic happen.
Yes, because it's a feeling world ना, ये महसूसों की दुनिया है. Magic world is you have to drop the logic to experience magic. जो लॉजिक्स हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं, अगर हम उनको ड्रॉप नहीं करेंगे, अगर हम उनको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, तो मैजिक्स हमारी लाइफ में नहीं आ पाएंगी. So to experience the magic, we have to drop the logic. And how do we drop the logic? By saying gratitude, by saying thank you, by being grateful, kritagya. Yes, and all the chapters, what we have done till now, they are teaching us the same thing, different ways of how to become grateful, how to step into this magical world of gratitude. And today's chapter is telling us this beautiful thing of how to be grateful for food and water, the two ingredients which are the most important for our lives. These two magical ingredients are the most important ingredients of our life. Yes, the magic ingredient, magic practice number 8.
Magic practice number 8, the magic ingredient. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessings as you can. Number 2, before you eat or drink anything today, take a moment to look at what you are about to eat or drink, and in your mind or out loud, say the magic words, thank you. If you want, you can sprinkle your food or drink with magic dust.
This is a very fun-loving thing, you know. It's a very beautiful game, you know. If you just sprinkle, and doesn't matter if people around you are watching you, don't be conscious. Tell them also to do it. If you're sitting with a lot of people around you, so which is quite possible. So just don't feel shy. Just sprinkle, and somebody asks you, "What are you doing?" Say, "I'm doing this." Okay. So now, before we go to the third number 3 of the magic practice, we will do this small thing. So we all have a glass of water bottle with us. Yes, we'll do this exercise. A very simple and fast exercise we'll do. Today also the session will be little, since the chapter is little long, we'll be another 5 to 10 minutes we'll wind up the session. Is it fine with everybody? Is it okay with everyone?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
So now what we'll do is, we have this water with us. Now before we drink the water, just feel the water in your hand. So I have this glass of water. Holding this glass of water in your hands, feel the water which is there in your hands and say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being there in my life.
You.
Thank you. And now have just a sip of water.
Thank you. Thank you.
How was the taste of the water? Was there any difference?
Better than our regular water.
Okay, lovely. Anything else? Anybody else has anything to share? You can write it or you can unmute yourself and speak.
It says feel like it's a sweet water.
Lovely. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I also feel sweet.
Lovely. Lovely. So just by, few seconds, we didn't even sprinkle the magic dust. We just said thank you. And when we had the water, and you can try this, just without any awareness, just gulp the water. Don't say anything and have the water afterwards. And then just say thank you and sprinkle magic dust. So you know what? Water absorbs. Water absorbs the feelings. It absorbs the feelings. The moment we expressed our gratitude towards the water, the molecular structure of the water, the same water which we had few hours back, and the same water, it's coming from the same source, right? We all must have got from our water purifier, and the same glass. So water has the potential to make changes in our life. Just imagine if we always have this water which is magical. And we know, we have discussed that our body is made up of 70 to 80% water. So all the water, all the structure of the water which is already there in our body, that will also become magical. And you won't believe all the little aches and pains in the body, headache, stomach ache, shoulder pain, or any other pain in the body. It will not come, and even if it comes, it will disappear. Also, what we can do is, you can try this and see if anybody tries. You can share your experience. One more thing which is not written in the book but which I have tried is that you can, with your fingers, you can just shake the water, move your fingers 54 times in the water. It becomes more energized, and every time as you are spinning your fingers in the water, you say thank you, thank you, thank you. From saying that 54 times, and you will see this state, you will experience it for yourself. Let me not say, but try doing it, try doing this also. So there are three
Vandana
things.
ji,
Yes.
yeah, we have to repeat. We have to say thank you and अंगुली को हिलाना है.
You have to move your fingers in the water and say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're magnifying the power of gratitude more. Okay?
उंगली को पानी में डुबो के करने का है.
हाँ जी. Okay? Yes. So let's read ahead.
Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Maggie, for reading today's chapter for us. Thank you so much. Yes, so the last practice is, we already know. Okay, yeah. So it's always about the magic rock. And the first is always about count your blessings. And I am assuming that all of us are doing these assignments the way the book is telling us to do. Yes, no, everybody is doing the assignments the way
Yes.
the book is telling us to do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So isn't it interesting that what we learned today, that what we did, what we experienced today, that just by saying this one magical word, thank you, the taste of the water changes. Whether for some of us it was sweet, some of us we couldn't identify, kuch change zarur laga, right? All of us, we felt or no? I haven't, only few people have shared. What about the others? Did you feel it's quite possible आपको कुछ change भी नहीं लगा हो? That's quite possible and natural and it's fine. So सबको कुछ लगा कि नहीं लगा? Can everybody? Okay, can I request everybody to put on their videos?
वंदना जी, मैं कुछ शेयर करूं?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
हाँ, we are Jain. तो हम लोगों में जो फास्टिंग होता है ना, तो हमको पूरे दिन में कुछ खाना नहीं होता है, सिर्फ बॉइल्ड वाटर पीते हैं हम. तो मैंने 30 डेज का फास्टिंग किया था, ओनली ऑन बॉइल्ड वाटर, और 9 AM to 6 है. बट यू कैंट बिलीव, मैं अपने आप सब कुछ कर रही थी। इन लोगों की जो मेरे घर के लोग थे उनको रसोई भी बना रही थी, सब कुछ कर रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ वाटर एनर्जी।
Yes.
और कभी कभार हम जब रसोई बनाते हैं तो हमारा मूड पर भी डिपेंड्स करता है। जब हम खुश मिजाज में होते हैं तो रसोई अच्छी बनती है। बाकी सबको घर में पता चल जाता है कि तेरा मूड नहीं था अच्छा।
That's very true. Very, very, very true. And so grateful to you for sharing.
और एक मिरेकल अब भी मेरे साथ हुआ। मेरे हस्बैंड जो अभी है जॉइंट, वो कभी मटके के पास खड़े होते हैं ना तब भी वो वाटर मुझसे ही मांगते हैं, मेरी बेटी से। आज अभी आप जब ने बोला ना तो वो मेरे लिए भी लेके आए ग्लास ऑफ थैंक यू।
That's so nice. That's so nice. Thank you, Bharat ji, for getting water for Ina.
थैंक यू। ओके ओके। दूसरा मैम मैं थोड़ा शेयर करूंगा
हाँ जी।
कि खाने में मतलब कभी कभार कुछ भी प्लस माइनस होता है, ठीक है। आई मीन टू से कि वो मतलब सॉल्ट कम है, सॉल्ट ज्यादा है, मिर्ची कम है, मिर्ची ज्यादा है, बट आई नेवर कंप्लेन फॉर हर। और जो अगर बाहर भी खाना खाते हैं कभी मैं कभी कंप्लेन नहीं करता हूँ कि ये खाना ऐसा बना है, ऐसा बना है, अच्छा नहीं लगा, मतलब बुरा नहीं लगा, बुरा लगा है, ऐसा कभी भी आई नेवर कंप्लेन टू अगेंस्ट फूड। तो
That's
वो
so
मुझे बहुत
nice.
अच्छा लगता है।
और
बहुत मतलब आप gratitude
also
already
good habit.
या
आप ऑलरेडी ग्रेटफुल हैं। तो
Yeah.
आप थोड़ा सा एक मैजिक इंग्रेडिएंट और डाल दीजिए, मैजिक डस्ट और डाल दीजिए, फिर आप देखेंगे कि और मैजिक्स आपकी लाइफ में अपीयर होने लग जाएंगे।
अच्छा वंदना जी, one thing, ये
हाँ।
book The Secret is different from this book The Magic.
Yes, The Secret is about the law of manifestation. The Secret is the first step and magic is the second step. The Secret is all about, जो हमने Secret movie भी देखी ना, उसमें भी बताया कि what is the law of attraction. That talks about the law of attraction, and magic talks about the law of attraction plus gratitude. So gratitude जब हमने feeling chart में देखा था ना, तो first is love, then comes gratitude. Gratitude हमें love जो highest emotion है उसके पास ले जाता है। Okay? So दोनों book अपनी अपनी जगह पे important है। Secret talks about the law of attraction. Whatever you give back, it comes back to you. The Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And magic में हम बार-बार we are just talking of that one beautiful emotion, gratitude.
Okay,
Yes?
understood.
Anybody else they have any sharings? So I have everybody on my view, the gallery view, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people have put their video on. What about the others? Yes, another video. Namrata ji, I can see you. Yes. Hina ji, I can see you. Can I see all the lovely faces? Okay.
I want to share something.
Yes, who's it? Margi ji, yes.
Yes. Ma'am, before 1 year, I saw a video on YouTube on water by Sadhguru ji,
हाँ जी.
Jati Vasudev.
हाँ.
I want to share that everyone should watch this video.
Yes. Will you
1 year.
send the link? आपके पास link है क्या? Can you send the link on Telegram?
आज मैं देख के वो ढूंढ के शेयर करती हूँ।
Okay.
बट मैं सिर्फ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने जो वाटर के बारे में समझाया है कि द वाटर कंटेंट इन आवर बॉडी, बहुत सारी चीजें आज इस चैप्टर में सेम थी।
हाँ.
पर उन्होंने जो बताया है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा डीपर है। कि जैसे कि वो समझाते हैं कि पानी हम तक आता है तो हम उसको खींच के लाते हैं, मतलब पाइप्स के से गुजर के आता है वो हम तक, तो उसको स्ट्रेस होता है। इफ वी ड्रेन और सक समथिंग तो उसको स्ट्रेस फील होगा।
राइट.
तो और वाटर इज द थिंग कि वो हर इमोशन को अपने अंदर होल्ड कर सकता है। तो जब हम पानी मटके में भरते हैं तो वो स्टेबल होता है उस टाइम पे, वो स्टोर होता है। और वो पानी में इतनी अच्छी बात भी है कि वो अपनी मेमोरी को भूल भी जाता है, मतलब कि जब वो स्टोर होता है, मतलब वो जब खींच नहीं रहा, वो हिल नहीं रहा है, वो स्टेडी है मटके में ना, तो वो सब भूल जाता है जो उसको स्ट्रेस लगा था वो।
Yes.
और फिर जब हम उसको मंत्रों से रिचार्ज करते हैं तो वो सब अपने अंदर अच्छे इमोशंस को भी स्टोर कर लेता है। सो सिंस लास्ट 1 ईयर व्हाट आई डू इज, मैं हर रोज सुबह जब अपना मटके का काम करती हूँ, वो हम पानी गणना बोलते, पता नहीं
हाँ
हिंदी
जी,
में क्या
हाँ जी,
बोलते हैं, हाँ,
yes.
छानना, हाँ। तो मैं हर रोज मटके पे हाथ रख के ये मतलब वो मंत्र वगैरह बोलती हूँ और ये विश करती हूँ कि ये पानी जो भी पिएगा अभी, उसकी हेल्थ और वेल्थ और मेंटल हेल्थ भी अच्छी होगी। ये सतगुरु जी ने सिखाया था उस वीडियो में।
जी,
और
तो आप आज ये शेयर कर दीजिएगा तो हम सब देख लेंगे, पर आपने बहुत
हाँ,
समझाया हमको, वेरी ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन। Thank you so much, Margi ji. Thank you for explaining this, and we all can try doing what she explained to us. We all can do that.
हाँ,
Yes.
बिफोर, हाँ, वाटर बॉटल भरने से पहले भी हम ये एक बार सोच ले कि इस बॉटल में जो भी पानी है वो अभी मंत्रित है, मतलब कि, तो उसका भी बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट होता है।
यस, एंड उन्होंने वो कुछ मंत्र भी बताया है क्या, उसमें क्या मंत्र करना है कि एनी मंत्र,
गायत्री मंत्र, नवकार मंत्र, कोई भी मंत्र,
स्पिरिचुअल जो भी आप मानते हो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
ओके, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग, वंडरफुल शेयरिंग मार्गी।
अगर हम मटके में वो सिल्वर का कॉइन या वो भी रखते हैं ना, तो उसका भी बहुत ही इफेक्ट रहता है। कोई भी आप सिल्वर की कॉइन या छोटी सी जो भी हो तो वो पानी में डालते हैं ना, तो उसका अलग ही वाइब्रेशन होता है।
यस, वेरी ट्रू। उसका अलग ही एक अलग ही साइंस है, वो सिल्वर कॉइन क्यों रखते हैं। देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू से फॉर दैट आल्सो, एंड वी ऑल नो व्हेन वी ऑल आर डूइंग, वी ऑल हैव द नॉलेज व्हाई आर वी डूइंग दिस, एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। एनीबडी एल्स हैज एनीथिंग टू शेयर? Anything to share from yesterday or from this chapter? You have any doubts, any clearings? Please, if you can do the doubt clearing before we go to the next chapter, which is tomorrow's
आपने
chapter.
जो वो चावल वाला 3 जार का बोला ना,
हाँ जी,
तो आपने बोला कि हिलाना नहीं है, पर जब हमको बोलना है आई लव यू, आई हेट यू, तो तब हाथ में लेके बोलना है कि उसके पास जाके बोलना है?
उसी बॉटल, उसी जार को देख के बोलना है।
Okay.
What you can do is you can place your palm on that jar. अपने हाथों को ऐसे रख सकते हैं, ऐसे होल्ड कर सकते हैं, जैसे भी दोनों हाथ रखना है, एक हाथ रखना है, जैसे भी, खाली उसको टच कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
You can touch and yeah. And if we all are doing, we'll have wonderful sharings after a week. And I'm expecting, my invitation to all of you is please do this experiment. Please do this experiment and see what is the effect of our thoughts and words on our body and our mind. जो हम सोचते हैं, जो हम बोलते हैं, उसका क्या इफेक्ट हमारे बॉडी और माइंड में होता है. We will understand this with this experiment much beautifully. Yes, so any other sharings, any other?
Yes, Vandana, you're wearing a beautiful scarf. What is written in it in Chinese or Japanese or something?
Yeah, I think it's Chinese. It's Chinese.
And what's written?
It's in Chinese. It's in their language.
Okay.
Some coded things are written.
Okay.
Thank you. If somebody can read Chinese language, they'll be able to understand. Thank you everybody. So anybody, any other questions or sharings? Thank you
Vandana ji
for putting the video on today, and it's nice to see all of you, and you feel more connected when you see the pictures, right? When we can see each other.
Have a Republic Day, all of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Happy Republic Day to all of you.
Yes.
And a magical day. a lovely, lovely magical day. And thank you for being part of this session today.
Thank
And
you.
Vandana ji.
let's bring lots and lots of magic in our lives.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.